Hi everyone, welcome to day 22 of 30 faces in 30 days. Today I just wanted to do a quick sketch with just a mechanical pencil and an eraser. And instead of using the Loomis method, I decided to use Frans van Stone's technique. I followed one of her tutorials on YouTube a little while ago. And the way she goes about it is basically she finds something to start with. So in this case, the glasses. And then she starts working around it. So she uses the glasses as a reference, and then she finds out where the eyes are located according to the glasses. And then she keeps on working out from this focus point all the way outward. So at first it threw me off a little bit because I've been using the Loomis method quite a lot lately. So I was working from the outside in, so getting the whole head situated and then focusing inward, adding all the features. But this is the opposite. So I was a bit anxious because I couldn't figure out if I had the right proportions, but I just kept on working, and I think it turned out okay. What I like also about her technique is that she just uses cross hatches with a pencil, and she's just doodling basically, which is really nice and enjoyable. And I also like that it really helps you focus on observing all the different details to make sure that they relate to each other. They're in the right position. So it's a good observation technique. Maybe putting it together with the Loomis method, it would make a perfect technique, I would think. So I like doing this because it's a great observation technique, and it helped me really focus. Anyway, I'll have to try again and practice more so that I can sharpen my skills even more and improve my techniques. Thank you all for stopping by. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a like. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow with day 23. Only 1 week left till the end of the challenge. Bye-bye!